In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Gumroad with Google Sheets using Zapier. First, open Zapier, Gumroad and Google Sheets in your browser. Log in to all accounts before starting the setup. Once you are inside Zapier, create a new Zap. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the automation runs whenever someone purchases one of your products. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, go to your Gumroad dashboard, open Settings, then go to the Advanced or Developer section and copy the API key. Paste the API key into Zapier and complete the connection. After that, choose Google Sheets as the action app. For the action event, select Create Spreadsheet Row. Now connect your Google account and choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want your Gumroad sales data to appear automatically. Next, map the fields from Gumroad into your spreadsheet columns. You can add information like customer name, buyer email, product name, sale price, purchase date, order ID, or payment status. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the automation works correctly. If the test is successful, click Publish or turn on Zap. Now every Gumroad sale will automatically create a new row inside your Google Sheets spreadsheet in real time. You can also use formulas, charts, filters, and dashboards inside Google Sheets to track revenue, analyze customer data, and monitor sales performance more efficiently. And that's how to integrate Gumroad with Google Sheets using Zapier. Thanks for watching and goodbye.